Hey guys, welcome back. In last video we saw how we can create variables and how we can use them inside any query. In this video we are going to talk about small things. The first one is operation name and the second one is operation type. Although we have already seen like whenever we name some query that is operation name, but it is not limited to query. The query which you see here, the syntax, is actually operation type. Apart from the query, there are some other operation types as well. This is one operation type, and this is another operation type, and this is the last one. So we have three operation types: query, mutation, subscription. We have already seen query. We have done so many things using query. In upcoming videos, we'll talk about mutation and subscription. We can create operation name for any of them. Alright, that's all from this video. In next video, we'll start with mutation. Till then, stay tuned for upcoming videos. Have a nice day.